Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida. And yet another rainy summer, yeah, I think it's still summer, September 2nd afternoon. I've got swipe cards and a 12 by 24 inch canvas. And I'm going to do some simple fun swiping. I've got some French silk from Colourarte. It's a Prizm Pour. Just going to give myself a simple strip down the center, hopefully. I got a lot of thunder rumbling in the background, so excuse me. I'm going to use some Meeden black paint. On either side. And maybe twice. Give myself something to pull my swipes down over. And I'm going to use some of the new colors. One is, I'm trying to think, where'd my card go? My cheat sheet says we got Deserted Island and Tropical Waters. And I'm going to start with one that's from the Frosted Sorbets, which is the Plum Blossom. And I wasn't going to use Mystique, but I'm going to pull it out. The star of this show for me is the Egyptian Blue. Which is an awesome color. Almost as good as, or exactly as well, good as the Agave Blue, which is tremendous. I think I need a little bit more here. If I put the top back on and I need some more, I can squeeze it out. There is Maroon, which is, whoa. I don't usually take my tops off, but this time I decided I would like to facilitate things. Moving along a little more quickly. And maybe I should stop there. Wow, lightning. Bling It, Golden Maple, Primary Element. Amazing. Window Rattling Thunder. I am being called to one more color, although I probably don't need it. So my choice is going to be between Mysterious Primary Element, Mystique, excuse me, which is pretty cool, and the Sea Monster. I think the Sea Monster I'll give a miss, and I might give a miss to the Mystique too, because I have other colors. Agave Blue, yeah, maybe the Agave Blue. I think Sparkling Aqua, yes, I definitely think Sparkling Aqua. Let's just squeeze that out. As long as I can. Hello. Yep, there we go. I'm going to use Amsterdam Black and Amsterdam White, Aussie Floetrol as a cell activator. I don't believe I'm going to spin, but I do like to get my bottles out of the way once in a while. I'm going to take my big card first. Well, no, where is the big card? There's the big card. That is actually the bigger card. Let's take some of the white. I made a thicker black version and I hope it works. I'm going to let that flow against something. I'll let it flow against the inside of my container. So it's right to the edge. See how I like that before I endeavor I can just scoop some more of that up. That worked out pretty well, I guess. Still didn't get all the way to the edge though. Okay, here goes nothing. This time I'm going to remember to use it over my edge. I think I need a scrape dish. I might use a spatula, an OXO omelet turning spatula, to scrape off my card so it's absolutely clean, like so, and then start again. That's pretty awesome. I love it. Let's see if I can get a more even distribution this time. Those colors are beautiful. Alright, I'm going to take less time and worry less too. Scrape off my card again. I like to use these colors either on the edges. Sometimes I put them right back into the painting too. Put them in there. I wanted a simpler color palette. I'm feeling like I've been overburdening myself with colors lately. It's because they're all so pretty. That was not my intention. This card is just about perfect. I can just about make it cover what I need to. I'm going to grab myself a little bit of water and clean off that paint right there, because I don't necessarily want it there. And I might grab a straw and just blow into that. I may blow into more things before I'm done too. That's funny that the first one sold like that and then the others haven't, so maybe I'll blow into them as well. Let's do that. Not really all that sure what I did that's that different. I'm sure they're going to keep developing. I'm going to try and repeat what I did the first time, see if I can make it happen again. So we'll go with a smaller line of both the black and the white, starting with the white, which is the way I started. Let it flow down like I did the first time. That's a little better. Alright, it's the quantity of the cell activator. I think I could swipe through the others again, and I might do that. I feel crazy doing that. I'm going to use a little bit of black first. Oh boy. Let's do it again. I don't know what I'll do if that doesn't sell up. It'll still be pretty, but I'm definitely learning something the hard way. and it's there for all to see. So I'm going to go back and do another one like that, assuming I have my card. Yes, I do. Assuming I'm getting my extra paint off. Yes, I am. Just one line. Sometimes I think that an extra cell activator is the key, but that is not the case this time. Stopped a little short. I kind of like the variation. I like the patterns a lot. A lot. So I'm not complaining at all. I am going to do another one over here and another one over there with a smaller card. There's one down. Can help my edge. Got beautiful paint dripping over the edge. Kind of makes me feel like a little bit of Egyptian. That's appropriate since we're using Egyptian blue. And I don't know what I'm going to do with these. I want to make them less straight across and more organic. There, the temptation is to drag my spatula through, but I've got a card in my hand, so that's going to be what's going to happen. I hope that's not too obnoxious. I still like it. That's a good sign. And I do have residuals. If I wanted to use them, I could dip my card in them. Do that instead of this. I'm not sure the lines were necessary, but I like them. They're pretty cool, actually. I'm liking them more and more as the cells activate. They definitely break up that hard line nicely. Okay, almost done, and I should tell you guys what I usually tell you. There's a 20% off coupon code for Colour Arte products, and I'm an affiliate. And if you are interested in Colour Arte products, Prizm Pours and Primary Elements and Blingits, being an associate, you help me out by shopping there, and there's a 20% off coupon code with the link to the website. So I hope you help yourselves. This is pretty cool. I'm loving these colors. They're really something. I think I'm almost done. What did I say I was going to tell you? Oh, under the link tree underneath Show More, you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and more, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors. Expressionist Art Studio Appreciation Group is now Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Appreciation. I'm going to try and, ooh, those colors are tremendous. I'm going to give it a quick torch to pop any bubbles. We seem to have survived the mishap of the weird cells. I made that work for me. This is really awesome. I love it, I love it, I love it. Generally speaking, if I were using pillow paint, I would make sure to pop my bubbles with a skewer. But seeming as I have no pillow paint, I'm pretty happy with what I've got. And I'm going to use a torch. Try and shimmer this at you. Look at that bling. Wow. I'm going to turn the light out, hoping that I don't darken the room too much. I've still got one left on. Those are gorgeous colors. Wow. Just wow. Try and move that into the camera view without my head in the way, please. Yeah, those are gorgeous. Wow. I'm loving these. Well done, Leslie Olmsted and Color Art. Wow. Really something. Look at those cells. I love those black and white cells. All those colors. Beautiful. I completely forgot to ask for a thumbs up. Thanking everybody who makes a donation through PayPal to keep the studio rolling. I really appreciate your help. Making ends meet is interesting these days. So thank you so much. You know who you are. Sally especially, thank you. Carrie especially, thank you. And many others. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. It's underneath the link tree as well as the paint pouring recipe. Recipes, more than one. I'm really distracted. I do sell my artwork. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. Whoops, lost my flashlight. And you can contact me via my email. If you have questions, please feel free to use the community board or comment sections. I'm happy to answer questions if I can, or I'll send you in the right direction if I can't. I need my crib notes. My Amazon link on the link tree has my 2 books. Volumes 1 and 2 are the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. And if you shop my Amazon link, it's at no added cost to you and it helps me out. I love these rogue little cells floating in that plum blossom are gorgeous. Thank you again for your kind words and your comments to keep my morale boosted. Please, if you're interested in the members library, know that it's a $9.99 a month that supports the production of videos, and you get full access to the members library, and there are more than 35 videos that no one else gets to see except for those people who are members. I will speak at you anon. Tell you guys to take care of each other, take care of yourselves, and remind you that if you like my artwork and you give me a thumbs up and you'd like to see something made into something, you can always ask me, and I can add it to spring clothing below the video, or put it on Fine Art America, pixels.com, or Society 6, which is on my link tree, or I'm forgetting something. I don't know. It's all on the link tree, including my website. I'm thinking my website might change in November to a different one, so catch it while you can. My community board is going to show you tomorrow's video. On my channel, you can find over 2,700 videos. If you need the playlists, ask me. I have them organized by topic and genre, or you can look for them yourselves by going to playlists, all playlists, created playlists. And otherwise, just ask, because I've got them easily accessible and I'm happy to help you. Okay, you guys, bye for now.